Hi there, outdoor explorers. Music makes every campfire better, but bringing a fragile and weak sound system into the wild is a recipe for disaster. If you want durable and massive sound under the stars, you need the best Bluetooth speaker for camping. Welcome to Best Product. Let's get started. Designed for users who need a powerful audio companion on the trail, the Zealot PT02 Bluetooth speaker brings incredible energy to your outdoor adventures. It is specifically crafted to meet the demanding needs of music enthusiasts wherever they decide to wander. When you are out in nature, you do not have walls to bounce sound around, which means standard indoor speakers often sound incredibly weak. The Zealot PT02 completely solves this problem by delivering massive room-filling sound that carries beautifully through the open air. It combines a highly robust built-in subwoofer, rich thumping bass, and true high-fidelity sound quality in a wonderfully portable form factor. It is the absolute ideal choice for anyone seeking a highly reliable speaker that moves effortlessly with the music. At the very heart of its incredible daily performance are the massive dual 79mm speakers. These oversized audio drivers are meticulously engineered to deliver a wonderfully wide frequency response that handles every single layer of your favorite tracks. They expertly capture everything from the deepest, most resonant bass notes to the absolute crispest and clearest treble highs. This fantastic acoustic engineering ensures that every subtle nuance of your music is faithfully reproduced. Whether you are listening to an acoustic guitar solo or a heavy dance track, you get to experience the true richness and immense depth of your favorite songs exactly as the artist intended. To push all of that beautiful sound out into the world, this device features an incredibly impressive 60 watts of raw output power. Most standard portable speakers only offer around 10 or 20 watts, so stepping up to a massive 60 watts means the Zealot PT02 effortlessly fills absolutely any space with rich, dynamic sound. Its powerful audio perfectly penetrates the air and diffuses incredibly effectively across large outdoor spaces. This ensures that every single note reaches all your listeners with pristine clarity, whether you are relaxing in a cozy indoor cabin or hosting a huge party in a wide-open environment. You will never have to ask your friends to huddle around the speaker just to hear the lyrics. Loud volume means nothing if the sound gets distorted, which is why this device is packed with advanced audio decoding technology. This smart internal processing works hand in hand with the dual passive bass diaphragms to dramatically enhance the low-frequency response. These passive bass radiators act like a physical amplifier for the lower notes, producing remarkably powerful and clean bass that brings a live concert-like experience right to your campsite. You can actually feel the music thumping in your chest without any annoying rattling or harsh audio distortion. Adding to this deeply immersive outdoor experience, the speaker features completely vibrant light effects located at both ends of the device. These beautiful lights are programmed to actively pulse and dance in perfect sync with the rhythm of your music. This visually complements the massive sound, turning a simple dark campsite into a fun and energetic party atmosphere. It is a fantastic feature that instantly elevates the mood of any evening gathering. All of these serious audio and visual features require serious energy, and thankfully, the Zealot PT02 is equipped with a massive 8,000 mAh high-capacity battery. This gigantic internal power source provides exceptional long-lasting playtime for extended listening sessions without a single worry of running out of juice. This ensures that your favorite music can accompany you throughout the entire day and well into the night. Whether you are embarking on multi-day camping trips, hosting long outdoor weekend gatherings, or simply enjoying quiet moments of relaxation in your backyard, this huge battery gives you total peace of mind, so you can leave the charging cables at home. Furthermore, highly convenient multi-device connectivity makes this device a joy to use in social settings. This smart technology allows seamless pairing with various different devices at the exact same time. This means you and your friends can easily share your favorite tracks and take turns playing DJ without having to constantly disconnect and reconnect your smartphones. It makes sharing music totally effortless and incredibly fun for everyone. Do not settle for a quiet campsite on your next weekend getaway. Check the price link in the description to grab your new favorite outdoor speaker today. Please remember to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome daily finds. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, and we will see you in the next one.